They are the parents and the founders of Live Like Cameron. We're going to bring up Melissa and Dan. How about a big round of applause there? Deserving of round of applause for them. Give it up.
My wife, Melissa Pulling, and we run the Live Like Cameron Foundation, which is a 501c3 here in Flagler County. Our journey started roughly 8 years ago, coming up on 8 years, April 6th of the 8 years, unfortunately. But our son was diagnosed with brain cancer back in on St. Patrick's Day of 2010, and he was 2 years old. We have a total of 37 families within Flagler and North Volusia County that we sponsor and we help. Again, thank all of our sponsors, thank everyone in this room. It's incredible that you guys came together.
Take a moment and thank everyone who donated their time tonight and who came here. This is amazing. Cancer is a very ugly word. Imagine being a child who's robbed of their childhood.
God bless and long live the Live Like Cameron Foundation.